Hey guys, Gigi Funny Cat Girl here, and I have another update. Let's see, where do we start? First of all, if you can pan in on this, Sophia, we painted this all white, but it's not just white, it's actually a sealant. So, we're just kind of concerned that maybe like little creepy crawlies were gonna come through. I know, I seem to be obsessed with these creepy crawlies. Oh look! It's my good luck Fred! Fred, come here, boy. This is my Fred. What you good boy? Fred, come here. Come here, boy. That's my baby Fred. He's my neighbor cat. And he's one of the love of my lives. Okay, he's too busy scratching himself. Let's let him do his thing. Okay, back to this. Anyway, so I got the sealant going, and it happens to be a white, so it looks pretty cool, I think. And the other major thing that we're doing is we realized we needed another, possibly one or two more support beams. So we got this. It's just an idea. We got the wood and we put it in cement, and we think we know what we're doing. But if you can see right here, I guess we need like another support right here, because we don't have a support here. But oh right, and the other thing is we just finished painting and also added some more support beams here. If you remember, this whole area is going to be a catio, and this is probably the piece de resistance right here. So if you want to show them, oh right, this way. This is kind of important. See this here, this area? We have some, I guess, support for underneath here, and we are thinking of like using these because we eventually want to put some more panels in so that the cats can actually look out here into the yard and look out and see Fred. Yeah. So it's coming along kind of nicely. That's about it for as far as updates. I will definitely keep you guys posted. I am very excited. This is turning out really nice. I love the white, to be quite honest with you guys. What else? I think that's it for now. It's a gorgeous day here, and I look forward to giving you guys more updates. Okay, love you guys.